Okay, so this is how I am transferring my graphic or my rubrics into my other classes without having to do a lot of copy and pasting. So what I do is I pick the assignment, and we're just going to go ahead and pick this one right here. And I'm going to go to copy to other courses. And then when I go to copy to other courses, I type in the courses that I'm looking for. And mine actually are popping right up, so this is where I want it to go. And I click the down arrow. I also want it to go to here too. So I want it to go to these two courses, and then I click next. And then when I click next, like I didn't put it anywhere, so when I click next, I just clicked include one rubric, but I unclicked where it said include grade item. And so then I copied it over. And so you just wait. And then I click done. Then when I go to the B section of it, I go to rubrics, it is there. Just give it a second here. It's right here. I still go to the assignment section. Now it doesn't go into the grade book, but it has been showing up here. So what I do here is that I just delete them. So that kind of takes care of the rubrics that I needed to transfer over. So once I do that, then I have them, and that's all there is to it.